The videos that were introduced on your direct examination, those were not your videos, correct?
Correct.
You didn't own the cameras that were
No,
used
sir.
to
I
take
did
those?
not own any of
Okay.
those cameras.
They're not UGA videos?
No, sir.
Okay. So, aside from what you were told by these two individuals, is it Mr. Edelinsky
Yes.
and Miss
Paisley.
Paisley? Okay. So, aside from what you were told by them, do you have any independent knowledge about how these cameras work?
I've met with Mr. Edelinsky and Miss Paisley. I cannot explain to you exactly how those cameras work.
Okay.
That would have to be something that they would do.
As part of your investigation in this case, you're kind of someone who is overseeing other officers. There's a lot of other investigators and detectives and crime scene people that you're kind of overseeing. Is that right?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
Okay. Reviewing things and making sure that everything gets done correctly. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so a lot of the you're not doing a lot of the actual investigation in this case, but you're helping out where you can and you're doing your part, but there's a lot of things that are that you're kind of overseeing.
Correct. There were a lot of moving parts in this investigation.
Okay. You did do some investigation into the use of Jose Ibarra's phone, did you not?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And as part of that investigation, you came to learn that it was not just Mr. Ibarra who was using that phone. Is that right?
I learned that in October of 2023 it was possible that someone else was using that phone. That's correct.
Okay. And in fact, 2 or 3 other individuals. Is that right?
2 that I know of. Yes.
2 other individuals.
Yes. Besides Jose. Yes.
Okay. And that was for the main phone number that you all were investigating that was supposed to be linked to Mr. Ibarra. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. And that number began with 347-358?
Yes, that sounds correct.
Okay. Judge, could I have just another question? And so just to clarify that number, the number that you all were looking at the time was 347-358-3978. Is that
Yes,
right?
that sounds correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all the questions I have, Judge.
October of 2023 is how much prior to the murder of Laken Riley?
That'd be 4 months prior.
Thank you. That's all I have.
Anything else? Mr. Kirby?
Judge, nothing right now.
Okay, well. Can he be excused?
Potentially, actually, I've asked to hold him for a potential rebuttal for just whatever comes down the road. So I'm just going to ask that he still abide by, well, I don't want to invoke the rule, but I have told all my witnesses to abide by the rule of sequestration.
Okay. You may step down and take instructions from whoever brought you here.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.